Have you ever wondered what a slicer is in Google Sheets and why you should use it? So maybe you're familiar with the filter tool, and that looks like this over here on the toolbar, or you can access it through the data tab and create a filter. And so maybe you're used to this and you're not sure why you would want to use a slicer and not a filter. So first off, let's look at how to add a slicer real quick. And so you just go to data and add a slicer. And then you can select data, for example, like this, choose a column, and then it acts like a filter just on that specific column. So you can do things here as well as like editing some of the options there on colors. And then you can use it like a filter just for that specific column. So at this point, you may be wondering why that's useful or why you want to use that. And so let's look at a quick option here. So we have a chart based on the sale date and the sales amount. And so this is obviously a very massive chart with a lot of data. Now, the advantage of a slicer is on a different tab like this, we can go over here, add a slicer, and we'll pick that data again. And so I happen to know that our data here is in A2 through O. And so that's the one I want. And then I can do the same thing, pick salesperson. Now here's where the slicer comes into play. Now over here, I can select Andy Bernard. Okay. And it updates my dashboard display. And so now I can see just Andy's sales. Or I can decide if I want to see someone else, Dwight, for example, and see his sales just like that. So that is the advantage of using a slicer, is it allows you to take that filter function to a different tab, in this instance, like a dashboard or a summary display, and filter that data there. So that is it for today's video. Make sure to check out our other videos for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and Google Apps Script. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.